Hey guys, since Rocket League is no longer going to allow for player-to-player trading, I decided to go ahead and do all my giveaways now before Rocket League closes their trading. So I was giving away a Hellfire black market goal explosion, looks like this. Let's go ahead and put them on the wheel names and spin. Hey, congratulations. Thank you so much for being a loyal subscriber. Hope you enjoyed it. And guys, if you missed this giveaway, you can still join this giveaway for some awesome wheels on Rocket League. And I'm also giving away a free Steam key of Gas Station Simulator. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing, and God bless. Peace.